Saturday, nature trip.
Tatlong Krus, Gigantes North, Calvary Mountain. Be with us today for an early morning nature walk.
Hello guys! It's exactly 4:30 in the morning at super early pa kami dahil ngayong araw aming i-check ang isa sa mga bucket list namin na mapuntahan ang isa sa mga pinakakilala na tourist spot sa ngayon dito sa Gigantes Islands, at ito ay matatagpuan sa Gigantes Norte. So, let's go! At sa mga oras na ito ay naglalakad kami sa dalampasigan ng aming barangay dahil medyo mababaw sa ngayon yung tubig or low tide, so kinakailangan naming sumakay sa pinakadulong bahagi ng aming barangay, diba? Ulit. So for the go, ang sinasakyan naming bangka sa ngayon or during the time is libre lang siya kasi nga kinontrata na namin nung gabi pa para sure na sure talaga yung trip namin papuntang kabilang isla. Pero kung kayo naman ay magko-commute lamang at wala kayong personal service, so kinakailangan yung magbayad ng around 40 to 50 pesos per head, no, per passenger going to the Gigantes North. Okay, that's it. And during the time, we are already starting the engine going to Gigantes North. And Viola, nandito na kami. Wow, magic, di ba? Ang bilis lang. So it takes around 5 to 10 minutes, no, to arrive on the other island, which is the North Gigantes Island. And pababa na kami dito sa mga oras na ito at maglalakad kami papunta doon kung wala kaming sasakyan na tricycle kasi nga super napakaaga pa nito. It's around, I think it's around 5 a.m. or before that or earlier than that. As you can see, it's still madilim pa sa paligid and we are here at the entrance of the barangay, no, with Barangay Granada. This is Sitio Langov o Barangay Granada. At dyan, naglakad-lakad kami kasi wala nga kaming makita na tricycle na pwedeng masakyan kasi it's super early pa in the morning. Okay, for the go. And it's magic and we are blessed enough that we have this tricycle which is available during the time na super early pa at di namin expect na may roon ng tricycle. And here we are. We'll be riding from Langob to Piagao 2. At yun na nga, for the go. And by the way guys, the fare, individual fare for the tricycle from Sitio Langob going to Piagao 2, which is the location of the Tatlong Krus na sinasabi nila, it's only 30 pesos o 30 pesos lang yung pamasahe papuntang Piagao 2. And it takes only about 7 to 10 minutes from Langob Port going to Piagao 2, which is the entrance location of Tatlong Krus. Medyo loading pa yung person, cherries. Unti-unti na nagliliwanag yung paligid, di ba? So nakikita nyo? And it's another magic. Here we are in the entrance of the Mount Calvary in Piagao 2 in Barangay Granada. Welcome to Mount Calvary. At syempre, pagkatapos magbayad ng aming financer, no, it's 30 pesos per head ha. And after that, it's they have their growth fee. And guys, dito na magsisimula ang aming nature trek going to Tatlong Krus. Let's go! At sa nakikita ninyo, di ba, no, going up, no, or from the start of this trek, no, may mga kabahayan pa dito sa bukana o entrance ng trek na ito, no, going up to the Mount Calvary here in Piagao Dos. So it's around I think it's already 6 a.m. in the morning and unti-unti nang nagliliwanag yung paligid, and it's good so that we can see what we are stepping on as we take this trail. Sa mga oras na ito ay sa ikalawang istasyon pa lang kami or sa ikalawang cruise. So mula sa ibaba, no, we started from unang istasyon or yung unang cruise, at yung sa pinakahuli-huli doon sa pinakaitaas yung 14 na cruise o yung ika-14 na istasyon. Sige, for the go. Yes. On the third cross pa lang kami, pero medyo parang kumakapal na yung paghinga namin. Mabuti na lang yung ibang kasama namin dyan is super prepared. They have their baston, what they call, no? Yung stick na siyang magsisilbing kaagapay nila sa kanilang paglalakbay. Aba, nagpapakamakata naman ako dito. Cherries. Go Fritz, kaya mo yan. No, it's a challenge for him to reach the peak of the mountain without surrender. At syempre dahil nagpapaka-vlogger tayo for today's video, tatakbo ako dyan ng apakabilis para mag-take ng shots, no, from the front of my kasama. Okay, we are on the, I think it's the 4th cross. Yes, it's a 4th cross. And yan yung aming mga matatapang na mga kasamahan na tumanggap ng challenge na akyatin ang Mount Calvary dito sa North Gigantes Islands. Go guys! At sa mga oras na ito, sadyang kalat na yung liwanag ng paligid dahil super umaga na talaga. And on this part, you can see the statue of Virgin Mary, and on the other side there, I think it's, if I'm not mistaken, it's Saint Anna and Saint Joseph. Iwan ko lang kung totoo ba talaga yung remember ko ng image ni Saint Joseph at Saint Anna. So we just passed on the 5th cross. At pagdating namin dito, akala namin ito na yung end point. Syempre, hindi pa pala, no? We're just in the middle of the trail. Ay nako, kaya pa. Ito po.
Hindi ka kamunti tapos sa balik ka walang galing. Hindi ka lang. Kaya eh.
Guys, nasa gitna pa lang tayo ng ating paglalakbay. So kulagad, for the go! Kaya yan, tiwala lang. Lubok. We are at the 7th cross. Ito ang istasyon. Nagdaan ako. Gubok. Gamay lang, gamay. Gamay lang po, gamay lang. Ano kita sa walo na cross. Walo ay sa cross. Tara. Diba? Hello guys, we are getting nearer to our destination, Chinese. Kaya pa? Let's go. Ano? Kaya pa, Bok? Kaya ah. Na? Malapit na. Ang ikasyam na istasyon, Gigapoy na si Umbok. At ngayon gagawin natin ang low budget vlogging, ang ipinagbabawal na teknik. Na kunwari may naka-standby tayong camera pero yun pala, syempre, iiwan yung camera pagkatapos, iiwan, babalikan. Diba? Parang timang. Right on this spot, you can clearly see the beauty of the nature, no? Overlooking the very wide bodies of water. On that side, it's, I think, if I'm not mistaken again, it's Masbate Islands, no? At sa mga oras na ito ay pasimple natin kinuha ang ating cellphone dahil tama na yung drama sa buhay, di ba? Yan yung the best kapag sinasabi nating self-service vlogging. Kasi lahat pwede mong gawin para lang maibigay yung kaepikan sa video. Faster! We are in the 10th station right there. Hi. Oh, see? You see what I see? Okay, let's continue. We are from the 10th station. Malapit na lang. Malapit na lang tayong makuha ng hininga. Charis. We are approaching on the 11th cross. It's the best exercise in the morning actually. Masa stretch yung endurance mo, lahat-lahat. 11 cross, 3 more to go. Hindi pa sa baba. O diba, for the hingal yung person, sobrang nakakapagod naman talaga yung pag-akyat. Parang umakyat ka sa sa 25th floor gamit lang yung hagdan manually. Ay nako, sige, konting-konti na lang yung faster natitirang hangin. And again, during this time, again and again, gagawin naman natin yung pinaka-joke na ginagawa ng halos lahat ng mga videographer or content creator. Yung pagkukuha ng shot na kunwari, marami siyang cam, pero isa lang talaga yung cam. Diba? Mindset ba? Mindset. O diba? Kunwari, may hinihintay, then after a few minutes, pabalik na. Para may kaipikan lang yung pag-video. Ay nako, sige pa, kaya mo yan. So during this time, medyo nagpapahinga kami ng konti while waiting for our other kasama. Sobrang nakakapagod talaga, pero it's good. Earlier in the morning, we have our very intensive exercise. Cross. At dahil nga likas tayong chismoso na ba talaga? Curious lang para social. So dahil likas tayong curious, I checked this structure. It's just like a small chapel na kung saan nakalagak ang Santo Inchiro or yung patay na Kristo, no, na sa kanyang libingan, yung Santo Inchiro. And we will have our shortcut here on this part. Santo Inchiro. From the high mountain of Gigantes North.